Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Today I am testing the new Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation from Lancome. The old foundation was a great foundation. It was full coverage, oil-free, transfer-free, and lasted all day. The new foundation claims it is all those things, plus it is light and airy. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. It's the end of the day, and on the Kathleen Color Scale, I give this foundation a 5. I was impressed. This foundation really was better. It was so easy to apply. It went on like water, airy and fresh. And yet it was full coverage. You can build it without it looking cakey. It also has a higher sunscreen. Instead of 15, it is now a 25. It was transfer free and it lasted all day. For brides or anyone, this is a must, and it has no flashback. The only thing I didn't like about this foundation are the inconsistent colors. You really do need to be matched. Whatever your color was before, it is different now. Even the skin tones like cool, neutral, and warm are different. But once you find your shade, you will love this foundation. I went to the gym, I did errands, and yet it was still looking fresh the entire day without primer and setting powder. The skin type I recommend for this foundation is all skin types. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.